Hey, what's up world? It's Max, aka Max Shooty, and this is a cold start on a 2007 Lotus Exige. So there it is, that's a cold start on a 2007 Lotus Exige S. It's not the greatest right now because it's summer, so you know, take it for a grain of salt. We'll get some better ones in the Minnesota winter that we have here. This car sounds really, really, really nasty once it sits for like a week or two. You know, you never want a car like this to sit around, but if it does, when it starts up, it's got a real rumble and a growl to it. So it's kind of cool for a little four-banger. But yeah, about to wash the car, so we'll get back to you guys once it's all clean. Here's an easy way to wash your car. Foam cannons are the bomb. I just have a cheap one that came with the pressure washer, but it works well enough. Thought I'd give you guys a little show of that. Hey, what's up guys? One sec, I got a Mclaren 570S, my buddy, and then my other buddy with a F430 Spider. We are in the back of the pack because I don't know where I'm going. Let's flip the camera around. So there's a McLaren 570S in that beautiful blue color. And we are cruising to Wheels and Wings in Osceola, I think. I don't know if that's how you say it, Wisconsin. I think it's wheelsandwings.com. Check them out. Shout out to them. Airshow and car show. I think it's going to be mostly a bunch of older cars. I don't know how many exotics are actually going to be there, but we got a little pack right now cruising along, so should be a fun time, fun day. Beautiful day here, 73 degrees I think is the high, which is gonna be awesome because I'm not a fan of like 90-degree days. And what else? I don't know. We'll get more at the show. We'll show you guys around. Should be good. It's gonna be an air show too. I don't know if I already said that. So that's gonna be cool. Look at the taillights on that thing. That's just sick. So that's not the touring version. If you look at the touring version, online the rear windshield goes all the way down the back, and it really doesn't look as like hardcore as this one does. This one looks really sweet. You can just see the exhaust manifolds in there. What's up everybody? Max here. I am at Wheels and Wings, and I rolled in with some buddies of mine. Got Dane's Ferrari F4, my buddy Michael's 570S, and then my Exige. Got a bunch of sweet rides here. Esprit, a bunch of cars rolling in, Mustangs, old muscle cars, Corvettes. There must have been a Corvette club that came in here because there's like hundreds of them that all rolled in over there. I think there's an NSX up here. Yeah, there's a Testarossa NSX. There we go. Wow, that's signed by Carol Shelby. Whatever you think. That is really cool. Things are clean. That's a 12, so oh man, that is sick. Really clean NSX. Those things are all engine. There's engine in the front, engine in the back. Everywhere you look, there's an engine. It's crazy. Terminator. I've actually driven one of these Boxsters, and they're no joke. I was kind of surprised. I mean, they're quick cars. Doesn't handle quite as well as the Exige, but hey, they're fun. Look at that. Carbon fiber on this hood. Yeah, C63 AMG, that's sick. Shout out Eurocharged Minneapolis. One of my buddies owns that. AJ. I don't know if this is his. Is he here? Haven't talked to him. RS5, those are pretty sick too. Look at the massive tires on that thing. Got an S197 GT. Kind of same style as my Mustang. That has to be the cleanest paint job I've ever seen. It's wet sanded or something. Wow, there is a lot of cars here. Yeah, we haven't walked around yet. Got my wife, Sasha, behind me. Are you camera shy? Yes? What?
It reminds me of that one guy that
Oh yeah. There's a guy that has an $800,000 Porsche Carrera GT and ties his dog to the mirror. Wow, look at this GT 350. That's a sick color combo.
back bumper was.
And then this black one, that's sinister looking too. 3 of them. Ooh, we got a bullet Mustang there. Stephen Queen. That's my favorite style Mustang ever. Probably get some hate for that one, but man, they're sick. Older GT500, probably an 08, 09. NYPD is in Wisconsin, I guess. Wheelsandwings.com if you're into like a lot of older cars, but then you got Porsches here. Carrera 4S. I hear these are really fun cars to drive. I've never driven one yet. Should probably find someone to take it for a rip.
They know how to use their feet. They sure do.
Here's an airplane.
We're like in the middle of the cars.
Look at that engine. 1931. That is crazy.
That's crazy.
We got a Saline, number 92. I wanted those same hood scoops on mine. That looks really nice.
Well, it was basically raining.
I think he's right over there.
Oh, okay.
Thought that was a little kid for a second. Wow, that Impala is crazy. What's that? Check out the back of the Saline. This one looks sick. This long line to see the most cool thing in the show. Pancakes. That is the longest pancake line in the world. My wife is on a mission to go get some. Here's all the airplanes. They're doing an air show here in like an hour. Is that a B-52 bomber way back there? there's no like roof on that airplane. Open seater. That is awesome. Bring a dog to a car show. My wife's happy. All three wants to see. So that was the air show. Now we're heading back. We got my buddy and his Mclaren right behind me. We're in Stillwater heading to Nelson's Ice Cream. They have the biggest ice cream cones or whatever. Like it's literally like this tall. And they're only $4. And this guy's trying to get a ride, but we're not gonna be able to give him a ride because we're up to capacity in here. Did you see that?
Yeah, I've never seen that before.
Interesting. Michael should have pulled him. We're running along the St. Croix River right now. It's a super windy road, but you want to know the beauty of it is that you get stuck behind people that are doing. Here it is.
Cheap price. Cup with the cup.
All right, guys, so that was it. That was the Wheels and Wings Air Show 2018. Visit wheelsandwings.com. Great time, and it's free. $10 to enter your car in it. Big deal. But it's a fun time. So if you're in Wisconsin, Stillwater, Minnesota, any of those areas, I really recommend checking it out. It's a fun time. We had a blast driving the Exige, getting that ice cream, having a good time. And I know my videos are a little low quality and shaky right now, but I got something coming to fix that. It's going to arrive on Wednesday. We'll make a review video for that, I guess. Just a quick look at the engine bay, might as well. That's the Exige engine, and I will be doing a review on the Exige, on the Mustang, and on the Range Rover that my wife is always gone whenever I'm making these videos. Hopefully soon. I'll review the three of them, let you guys know a little bit about the differences between the Exige and the Elise. They might look similar, but they couldn't be more different. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys around. Thanks.